5 Facts about the amazing island of Bali. Bali is one of the provinces in Indonesia whose name is well known to foreign countries. The island of Bali is also known as the Island of the Gods because of its beauty and culture. There is always a reason to return to Bali, maybe because of that every day many tourists, both foreign and domestic, come to visit Bali. If you often visit Bali, you will know that there are many amazing things in Bali. Well, the following 5 things can add to your admiration. Let's see. 1. The Bali Mandara Toll Road is the first floating toll road in Indonesia, located on the island of Bali. The Bali Mandara Toll Road connects Benoa, Ngurah Tuban, and Nusa Dua, spanning 12.7 kilometers above sea level. This toll road is the first toll road on the island of Bali, as well as the first floating toll road in Indonesia. In addition, this toll road also includes a unique toll road because it has lanes for motorbikes on the left and right sides. The toll road construction began in March 2012 and was completed around May 2013. 2. The Garuda Wisnu Kencana statue in Bali is the tallest statue in Indonesia, and is the second tallest statue in the world. The Garuda Wisnu Kencana (GWK) statue is located on Unggasan Hill, South Kuta, Badung Regency, the work of the famous sculptor Nyoman Nuarta and inaugurated by President Joko Widodo in September 2018. This statue is the second tallest statue in the world, beating the Statue of Liberty, and is also the tallest statue in Indonesia. The construction of this statue took 28 years. 3. Penglipuran village in Bali is one of the most beautiful villages in Indonesia and has been ranked as the cleanest village in the world. The village, with an area of 112 hectares, consists of 12 hectares of residential area, 49 hectares of fields and 37 hectares of bamboo forest area. This village is one of the most beautiful villages in Indonesia, and has been awarded the title of the cleanest village in the world. Penglipuran village comes from the acronym word, Penggaling, and Pura, which means remembering sacred places, ancestors. Initially, the people of this village came from Bayunggede village, Kintamani, who moved to Kubu Bayung village, which is now Penglipuran village. 4. For 12 years in a row, the island of Bali has been named the best island by the Destination Reader's Choice Award (RCA). The island of Bali is an island that is famous in foreign countries, so it is not surprising that this island has won so many awards. One of the awards that Bali has ever won is the best island according to the Destination Reader's Choice Awards 2017, and Bali has won this award for 12 years in a row. The popular magazine Travel and Leisure also named Bali as the best tourist destination island in 2017. And Bali ranks second as the best tourist island in the 2018 survey World's Best Awards. 5. 2 luxury hotels in Bali are included in the list of 24 luxury hotels in the World 2018 version of TripAdvisor. Bali is increasingly strengthening its existence in the world of international tourism, as if it is not quite satisfied with the series of predicates and awards it has won. In 2018, he was selected as a luxury hotel in Bali and was included in the list of 24 luxury hotels in the world according to TripAdvisor's version. The two hotels are Mandapa, a Ritz-Carlton Reserve located in Ubud, and Komaneka at Tangayuda, which is also located in Ubud. These two hotels are ranked 15th and 16th. After reading the amazing things about the island of Bali above, of course it makes us feel very proud as Indonesians. Bali is not only recognized for its beauty by Indonesians, but also recognized by people all over the world. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to support BUDI Art channel by like, comment, share, and subscribe.